Hi everyone, it's Monday the 14th of September. This week in school we're running a few assessments just to see where we all are after lockdown. So what we're going to do is give you the tools to do them yourselves at home. Now it's really important that when you're doing these assessments you are strict in terms of giving yourself the right amount of time, not giving yourself too much, not helping yourself during the assessments by just having a quick look on the internet about what certain things means. Just do the test honestly in the time that you're given and then don't worry about it. All these tests are just to see where we're up to. These aren't going to be used as your official assessments. We're not going to be presenting you with grades that go on your report with these assessments. Don't panic at all. These are just so we can see where we're up to and where are the areas that we need to focus on first. So every single day this week I'll give you input on a different paper, and you can download all of the papers on the year 6 page, and then you can bring them back with you when you're back in, or if you'd like to you can take pictures of every individual page and send them in, but I think the first option is probably better. These test papers are quite large to download and print, so if you would rather, for either all the test papers or individual test papers, get a paper copy, you'll need to email in at rsa.year6, and that's the whole word year, Y-E-A-R, at 3-saints.org.uk, and we will organise getting paper copies of the assessments to you, but you'll need to let us know if that's what you want. Okay, so your first one for Monday, the 14th of September, is the Maths Paper 2. So if you can get that assessment in front of you, then that is the one we're going to do today. I know it seems a bit strange to be doing Paper 2 first, but Paper 2 is one of your reasoning papers. Paper 1 is an arithmetic, Paper 2 and Paper 3 are reasoning papers, and then your marks across all 3 assessments are added together to give you your final math score. So you're going to do Paper 2 only today. You need to give yourself 40 minutes. So from the moment you turn over and start question 1, you're going to give yourself 40 minutes, maybe time yourself on a phone or using a clock or something like that, or you can go into Google and they have a stopwatch as well. And as soon as 40 minutes is finished, you stop. No matter where you are, no matter if you're in the middle of a question, finish where you are. The total amount of marks you can get for this assessment is 35. This assessment covers number, algebra, fractions, decimals, percentages, shape, data, measure, and it's the kind of assessment that has word problems in it, and it will contextualise the maths for you. Again, if there's something you're not sure of, have a go. Just have a little guess. You can always skip a question and come back to it, but if you're having a go, you're more likely to get some marks, but if you leave it completely blank, you're definitely not going to get anything. It's really important to show your working out, especially when there are questions with working out boxes. If you do your working out, then there's the option of getting additional marks there, even if you get the question wrong. Make sure you're only writing your answers in the boxes provided. Don't write any workings out or any answers in the grey areas around the outside of the paper, or don't scribble all over the barcodes, because when you do your real assessment, that's what they use to scan them in. So we'll get into the habit of that now. Only use a blue pen or a black pencil. Make sure that your answers are clear. If you make a mistake, cross it out and write the answer somewhere else. Avoid using a rubber because that can crumple up your paper and gets confusing. Just cross it out and write the proper answer in. As always, if you have any questions, always email us in, but I'm going to leave you with that today to see how you do. Best of luck, guys.